What's going on, guys? It's your boy Artie here. In today's video, we're going to be fixing the unoriginal content strike on TikTok. Now, I have some tips for you guys. I have literally step-by-step on how to not get those strikes ever again, and just tips to avoid getting that ever again. First things first, when you're using other people's content, you have to mix it up. You have to add different clips into the video, because otherwise you will just probably get striked right then and there. So make sure you blend in some different clips. You can add, for example, a David Goggins clip, and then add in some other clip, and then you can revert back to the original clip and just keep continuing on. It just depends on what kind of content you make, but just make sure you guys use different clips. Another thing I recommend using are filters and auto captions. Now, you can actually do the auto captions in whatever you're using. Nowadays, CapCut, I'm sure everybody knows what CapCut. I'm sure everybody's editing with CapCut. There's an auto captions there. I use an app called Captions. It's literally called Captions. You have to pay for it. It's a lot better than the CapCut auto captions, because I feel like the CapCut auto captions are just horrible. But make sure you guys use auto captions as well as filters to make it higher quality. Now, like I just said about the higher quality, you guys want to make it as high as quality as possible. Try not to use blurry clips, or try not to use anything like that. Like I said, use filters, captions, like a high quality video that other people are going to watch, that other people are going to enjoy, something that you would enjoy watching yourself. But yeah, make sure you guys focus on the high quality. Another thing I recommend doing is putting a logo, your logo, or some text at the end of the video, or like on the bottom of the video, like a watermark. That ensures you 100% that you're not going to get a content strike, simply because it's technically your content, it's your logo, it's your text. You added value to the video. So in my recommendation, I recommend doing that every single video you post. I do it. I see a ton of other people doing it as well. Now, one thing I recommend not doing at all is using movie clips, because I find that if every single time you use a movie clip, it turns like it doesn't work. Okay, so I try to avoid movie clips. Sometimes you can get away with it. You can try it. If not, then you'll get striked. But like I said, try to stay away from movie clips in general, because they just might not work. And last but not least is to just blur out any logos that's already on the video. So if there's like a Monster Can energy drink or a CBS Sports logo, just try to blur that out, because it's technically their content and their video. So, and then if you put obviously your logo, it'll turn into your content and your value and stuff like that. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram down in the description below. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.